Sisters, the weather has cooled down now. Are your round neck clothes getting cold? Especially for those who have more sweaters and coats. What knot should we use to protect our necks and keep warm?
Today, I will share a simple and beautiful double knot that can be learned at once.
It's very simple.
Look here, hold it in your hand.
We choose a square scarf with 90 centimeters. We can use square scarves above 90 centimeters. Can be worn. This one is a wind chime flower with a very beautiful color, and it makes you fair.
Gold thread is the most noble, and purple is noble,
Generous and elegant.
the white flowers are as white as snow.
And as warm as jade.
Fold the silk square into a rectangle. Grab it in the upper left corner.
After aligning these two small corners,
Don't replace it with the lower right corner.
and that's it. Be sure to pay attention. Remember that we are taking the diagonal. Upper left and lower right.
Now we lift up these two small corners. Lift them up and hang them over your shoulders.
Hang it up.
Cross these two small corners twice and tie a knot in the back. Look carefully. Cross it like this first. Then cross it for the second time.
After crossing twice.
Also use this long, small ear. Make two small knots at the back of the neck because the silk scarf is quite smooth. If you make a small knot, it will fall. So be sure to tie two small knots.
Go back to the front. You can get a method that can protect your neck and also keep you warm at the same time, mainly after you open it like this. Have you noticed the folds is very strong? It's tightly sealed from top to bottom. From top to bottom, it can cover your body with a coat or a down jacket.
If you want to keep warm in winter, sisters, wearing this knot will make you more stylish.
Meanwhile, sisters who have bought our pants before, you can add a button to this empty part. Isn't it more elegant? Isn't it more advanced and luxurious? The whole outfit,
Be more beautiful.
look how stylish it is. This time you finally learned it.
Sisters who have learned it, remember to follow
And learn more tying methods from me.